Hello, my name is Kathy Holt. I am a PowerChurch training specialist. I'm going to answer the question. If a church member gives a gift directly to the pastor, is it taxable income to that pastor? Gifts given directly to the pastor from parishioners do not need to be included on the pastor's Form W-2 from the church. However, in most cases, the pastor should include the gift as income on his personal income tax return. The reason? Because generally, there is a direct relationship between the gift to the pastor and the services provided by the pastor to the parishioner giving the gift. This rule is true whether the gift is cash, check, or non-cash gifts such as gift cards or a weekend getaway. If you have any questions, contact us at the number below. For more information and videos about clergy housing, PowerChurch training, church bookkeeping, small church accounting software, or church management, please visit our website at cpachurch.com.